Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find the center of gravity. First, understand that the center of gravity is the unique point where an object's weight is evenly distributed in all directions. Imagine balancing an object on a single point. That point would be its center of gravity. This concept is fundamental in engineering and physics, influencing how objects behave and interact with forces. We'll explore practical methods to locate it. For irregularly shaped, flat objects, a simple experimental method works well. First, suspend the object from any point, allowing it to hang freely. Then, use a plumb bob to draw a vertical line directly downwards from the suspension point. Repeat this process by suspending the object from a different point and drawing a second vertical line. The exact spot where these two lines intersect is the object's center of gravity. When dealing with composite objects made of several simpler shapes, calculation is often necessary. Begin by breaking down the complex object into its individual, basic geometric components, like rectangles or circles. Next, determine the center of gravity for each of these simpler parts. Finally, apply a weighted average formula, considering each component's mass and its individual center of gravity coordinates, to find the overall center of gravity. Knowing an object's center of gravity is incredibly important for its stability and performance. In engineering, it dictates how a structure will react to forces, preventing tipping or collapse. For instance, vehicle designers carefully position it for optimal handling and safety. It's also crucial in sports, from a gymnast's balance to a baseball bat's swing. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Understanding this principle helps us build safer and more efficient designs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.